No, don't hang up. Say hi. Talk to Grandma. Hold on, talk to Grandma. Just wait.
Hi.
No, not yet. Let Hudson wait your turn.
Come here.
Lucia, say hi.
You are going to.
What's up?
Okay, it's your turn. Come on, son.
Take your shoes off,
Are you
boy.
there?
She's there. She's listening. She's got it to her ear.
Say hi. Say hi, Grandma. Lucia, say hi, Grandma.
Uh-oh.
Say hi.
6:30. Uh-oh.
Say hi.
Funny.
Say hi.
No. Did she push mute? Are you there?
Daddy, do it.
Hold on. She might have put mute. Oh, no. Are you there? Okay, hold on here. Oh, gosh. Sorry. I didn't mean to take your phone away.
The next game.
What?
Oops, I forgot that.
8:30 a.m. to 5. Yeah. Friday.
Keep talking to her, Mom.
I saw it.
No, talk to her. Say hi, Lucia. Stop pushing buttons.
Oh, it's a domino.
Are you all done?
Now you're done with it.
Where are you going, Lucia?
My turn. I go first.
Lucia, talk to Grandma.
You know,
Yeah, she's there.
Daddy,
Great. You there?
that's it.
Hold on. No. Are you there, Mom?
No.